Hello, many of you probably know who I am, but for those who are new, my name is Tom Billigen. For the past several years, I have been training and development manager for customer education. Starting October 16th, I have become the new Director of Customer Experience, replacing John Piechowski, who left the company back in July. With the new role, I'm in charge of customer education and now oversee the Technical Answer Center for both engine and battery, as well as energy solutions. The customer education team will be moving to the Briggs & Stratton corporate office building in Wauwatosa by the end of December 2023. We will be vacating the leased building that we have occupied since June of 2006. The Energy Solutions training team is also affected by this move, as they've hosted several classes per month at that facility. Right now, we are moving all of our items to COB, where we will be finding new locations on campus to conduct our classes in the next few months. There will be little to no impact on our training content development, the on-the-road classes, or our continued support to PD education with this change. We will be gaining access to many new resources to do things even bigger and better through this move. We look forward to the change and the ease of being able to contribute even more to the business. Customer education and Brian Coffey's teams are once again combining forces to help get more widespread EFI classes scheduled. The week of December 4th, we held a Train the Trainer event to get his team up to speed on how to conduct the ETC Essentials and ETC Advanced classes and use the materials correctly. We also spent time with the call center folks to reinforce topics about EFI troubleshooting and engine failure analysis. Another thing we're going to implement in 2024 is to make MSTs, VSTs, and authorized dealers permanent with no annual renewal connected to the update seminar exam anymore. The exceptions would be a brand new dealer, a dealer that loses a tech that is current, or a dealer looking to upgrade their status. They will need to meet all the necessary education requirements like they have in the past. The update seminar will become an optional view and will focus more on technical topics related to newer products. The update will still have a test associated with it for those who need it. This would take effect starting December 1st, 2024. This will make things easier for dealers, PD, and the Power Portal team with these changes. In my new role, I am now in charge of things like service bulletins or other communications about service-related issues going on. The plan in 2024 is to increase technical communication substantially. This may be in the form of service bulletins, instructional videos, and other communication like banners on the Power Portal landing page that make users aware of something new to go take a look at right away. Also, we have reestablished our commitment to working with PD in regards to service and warranty items. Art Falk and my team will be working closer than ever to make sure open lines of communication and action are taking place. This will ensure faster responses and decisions for dealers, especially on warranty pre-authorizations. In 2024, I'm also working with Mike Mayhew's team in warranty to update the policy and procedures book, flat rate guide, and decide if some of the older policies still are relevant to today's products or if they need to be modified. Again, this will be as time and resources allow for these changes to happen in 2024. We will actively communicate these changes to you as they are completed. One last note on warranty items. I just want to stress that of the importance that dealers do follow through on correct established procedures in preparing for pre-authorizations of failed engines. This means having gotten all the appropriate information about the engine and the product gathered, all of the relevant photos of the failure, and other important details. If they fail to include this detail in the first go-around, the process keeps getting delayed until all the needed details are submitted. The same goes when filing the e-claim at the end of the job. In the 2024 Update Seminar, Mark Deering from the Power Portal team covered many aspects of the new functionality of the Power Portal for 2023. We will show you that segment now as a refresher. If you hadn't had a chance yet, it also pays to check out the technical topics from the update seminar this year too. We covered a refresher on engine failure analysis and EFI diagnostic approaches. Here is Mark Deering.
Hello, I'm Mark Deering, a digital marketing specialist here at Briggs & Stratton, and I'd like to discuss some of the changes to the Power Portal that have taken place over the past year, as well as some relatively new updates to the eClaim application. As we teased in last year's update, the Power Portal has been redesigned in an effort to modernize the look and feel, make navigation easier, and offer compatibility for multiple types of devices. Essentially, our goal was to create an overall better Power Portal experience based upon your survey responses and interviews. While the redesign of the Power Portal introduces some changes as well as an updated look and feel, there are some areas of the layout that should seem familiar. For example, in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you can still see the account that is currently in use along with the logout link. A small change to this area is that now underneath the logout link, we have added a link to the account's profile. The account profile can be used to update information such as the account password and security questions. In the center of the page, we have kept the application section for easy accessibility to our most popular applications such as Model Search, eParts, and eClaim. Below this section is an announcement area where any maintenance alerts or important news will be posted. And if we keep on scrolling, we will have the What's New area and any other highlighted content. The site navigation underwent a significant overhaul. The previous row of brand tabs and the horizontal navigation with its large drop-down menu has been replaced by a vertical scheme located on the left column of the page that combines brand selection and site navigation. Hovering over the top menu item will display all available brands available to the account. Clicking on any of these choices will load the appropriate brand. On the far left, we have a number of options. Click the magnifying glass to open the site search, the apps icon to display common applications, or the question mark to open the Contact Us form. To the right of the icons, you will see the main navigation items: Service, Parts, Dealer Business, and Sales and Marketing. Clicking the arrow next to any of these categories will open and close the available navigation sub-items, and clicking any of the links will bring you to the desired page. Another significant update to the Power Portal is moving to a responsive design. This flexibility allows the Power Portal to be used effectively on multiple types of devices, whether it be a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. So, what do you think of the Power Portal's redesign? We have posted a short survey containing multiple choice questions along with text fields to provide your individual thoughts on each topic. We would love to hear from you and get your feedback regarding your experience working with the updated Power Portal. Moving on to the eClaim updates. Through the years, we have made changes to the eClaim application to make it easier to use. With this in mind, I would like to provide an overview of the latest changes we hope will further streamline the form, as well as allow us to obtain the required information upon claim submission and eliminate some of the back and forth communication between you and the warranty team. The first change is on the initial eClaim page. When clicking the serial number not available box and then engine repair from the repair type dropdown, the three fields where the model type and trim would be entered has been condensed down to a single field. The next change will only affect those claims using an MST account for authorization rather than manually entering a control number. For MST claims, we now require that 6 quality images of the manufacturer's defect be attached to the claim. The last change only affects claims that have the Remove and Reinstall Engine Required box checked under the Labor Required section of the form. When this box is checked, both the equipment or component model number and engine or equipment serial number fields will be mandatory, so the warranty team can identify the equipment the engine was powering. Thanks for your attention regarding these changes to the portal. We are constantly looking for better ways to get you the information you need, as well as streamline the processes.
I appreciate you all taking the time to watch this presentation, and I really look forward to rolling my sleeves up and getting in the trenches along with you all at Power Distributors this year, and working hard to make a better experience for everyone, especially our dealers. Have a great 2024, everyone, if I don't see you in person throughout this upcoming season.